Welcome everyone to 21 Bitcoin Stash. Today I'm going to show you how to get started, how to make your deposit so you can start earning. So real quick, also I want to let you know, please get familiar with the other tabs here. This is where your referral link is and withdrawal button. I'm just a member of this trying to help all members that may be coming in or maybe already in that needs more help as far as making the deposit in this 21 Bitcoin Stash. So real quick, also they have online chat. Basically you can chat with people online, so if it's there, and so basically I want to show you that real quick. Let's show you how to get started, how to fund your account. So that's what this video is for. So what you do, you click on deposit here at the top. Okay, this screen should pop up. Please follow these instructions. Make sure if you're sending Cash App and stuff like that, please follow instructions as they are given. For this video tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to deposit Bitcoin, because they have a special going on, a bonus, I believe until Monday. So I just want to make sure you all get in so you can receive this bonus with Bitcoin, right? So you can buy one. You see, one buy one get one free. At this moment, it's October the 12th, 2019. So I'm just trying to show you how to access this bonus, um, before it ends. So real quick, a lot of members is doing that right now. So real quick, let's show you how to deposit Bitcoin, right? So you can send Bitcoin to this company. They have, scroll down real quick. If you send a Cash App, follow these instructions right here. As you can see, you send 21 per spot, right? Cash App. This is their Cash App username. So that's where you send the 21 to. Also, it's step 2, say email your username and your Cash App username to this email address. So if you send funds through Cash App, please do this after you send the funds to their 21 BTC's username. Then also make sure you email your username and your Cash App username so they can confirm it through this email. So real quick, I'm going to scroll down more. Of course, these are the specials they got going on. Of course, with Bitcoin and only Bitcoin. And let's go down here. Let's say if you, for instance, you want to buy 21 per coin, right? So if you buying one, you just put 21 there. If you buying three, you do multiples of 21. So you will actually do 21 three times, right? So let's see. Let me see. Can I calculate that? That should be 63, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 21, 21, 21. Yeah, that is 63. So you'll put 63 there. And of course, you scroll down. If you're paying with Bitcoin, if you buy 3 coins, right? So you can earn, you can choose, here are the options. Bitcoin, for instance, you can use Cash Out, pay your Bitcoin. We're going to choose Bitcoin, right? I'm not going to actually fulfill this order. I'm just showing you how to do it. But basically what you do, you choose Bitcoin, then hit deposit. What it's going to do, guys, it's going to open up coin payments. See, so that told you about the additional fee that's on Bitcoin. Y'all know Bitcoin got fees, right? So through processors, okay, coin payments has a fee. So you're gonna be paying that additional, funds for that. So I'm gonna click pay using coin payments. Now what you do here, guys, you select the coin, which we are paying with Bitcoin, right? So you choose that. That's the amount for this video. You can put in your email, first name, last name. I want to do that real quick. I'm gonna put, all right, it automatically generates then I'm gonna hit complete checkout, right? So this is your next step. What it's gonna do is gonna redirect you. Now all you got to do, guys, if you're sending funds through Coin Cash App, Bitcoin, or Coin Payments, or blockchain, or BitPay, or Exodus Wallet, all you got to do is send funds to the address that they give you, right? So send this amount, copy this amount. If you're on your computer, on your phone, copy this amount, put that in the BTC amount, then copy the address, send your funds to the address that they provide. Leave that open until it says paid, and then that's how you do it, guys. So once it say paid, you leave this invoice open. After you send it, it'll say pay here. Plus, you'll get an email confirmation to your email saying that you just submitted for. I'm gonna check inbox real quick. I should get a notification in my email. Yep, see, new payment submitted. So check your email. Make sure you send the correct amount. Make sure you don't send no less than this, whatever amount they give you, so it can complete. And then once it say paid, it'll give you an option say return to seller store and just wait for confirmation. And then once you do that, we're gonna go back. Of course, I'm not sending that direct. I'm just using this video as a tutorial. I'm gonna go back. Okay. And then what you do, guys, what you can do after you send Bitcoin, if you want to confirm that you did send it, go to your email, copy. They're gonna give you an ID number, right? A reference number, whatever reference number they give you, copy that. See right here for reference payment, copy this reference number, right? Whatever number they give you. Then go email them your username, say hi support. This is proof I sent funds. You're submitting your transaction reference ID number so they can confirm it on their end as proof. Send an email to them, and guess what? Send your username so they can confirm the username you signed up with, right? That you registered with, and send them your name and your username. Then they can confirm it, and then what they'll do, they'll actually fund your account. And for instance, they have funded my account. I do got more positions. Here go my deposit history. This happened today. So I actually got my bonus. Y'all can see I got a bonus for depositing at 2021 today. So this bonus is not gonna last long. So get in while you can and invest at your own risk. And do what you can. And this finally concludes this video. If you have any issues, any problems, please contact support and they'll be glad to assist you. Thank you for watching this video.